Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to root grapevines using only water. With this method, after pruning the vines, we can create new plants just by placing these cuttings in water. Look, as you can see here we have more. Here's another one that has also rooted. Honestly, they all rooted successfully. Maybe that's not always the case. What's important is to submerge the cutting and leave 2 buds above the water. As you can see here, try to leave 2 buds outside. If it's too short, and only 1 bud remains above, it's not a big deal, but always try to leave 2. As you can see, some were just at the limit, so the lower bud soaked up some water. But it's fine. If the lower bud absorbs too much water, it won't grow from there. It only grew from the upper bud, the second one didn't develop. But again, that's totally okay. And that's all. Place them like this. If you liked the video, subscribe and give it a like.